Not sure whether to book a basic or deep cleaning? In this video, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right service for your home. Basic cleaning is designed for well-maintained homes and routine upkeep. It covers cleaning of easily accessible, visible surfaces like countertops, bathroom fixtures, and floors. This service is a great choice for general maintenance or as a trial before committing to a recurring plan. Deep cleaning includes everything in basic cleaning but goes farther. It's meant for less accessible spots and includes the option to clean inside appliances like the oven or fridge. Deep cleaning is especially popular for move-in or move-out cleanings when thorough, detailed clean is essential. Basic cleaning handles the surfaces you use every day. Deep cleaning offers access to extras and deeper coverage, especially in spots that don't get regular attention. Both services offer high-quality results from trusted contractors.